Welcome to One River Place community in Bourbonnais, located just off River Street, very close to shopping and restaurants. Upon entering the home, you've got a nice table space area here with a beautiful window to overlook the grounds with very nice landscaping. The kitchen has two-tone cabinetry, gorgeous Corian countertops. The drawers are all tongue and groove drawers, beautiful backsplash area, and all stainless appliances. Another optional eating space is the bar height level counter seating. Family room with beautiful hardwood flooring, gas fireplace, cathedral ceiling, gorgeous windows, beautiful transoms, and the sliding glass door leads out to the deck. Again, more nice landscaping surrounding the deck as well. First floor, master suite, walk-in closet, full bathroom, again, hardwood flooring. The master suite is beautiful with hardwood flooring, plenty of room for your furniture, a nice walk-in closet with built-ins. And the bathroom has the same type of cabinetry as the kitchen, cultured marble top with double sinks, super clean bathtub with jets, and a nice sized tiled shower with glass doors. Coming up the flight of stairs is the second bedroom. Casement windows, nice sized bedroom area, and a great closet with organizers there too. Out of the bedroom at the top of the stairs is a beautiful window, and then the full bath with porcelain tile, cultured marble sink, super clean, and a very nice linen closet as well. The second story loft might be ideal for an extra family room, office, playroom. The quality of the construction is so nice. There's no creaks anywhere. Oversized trim, paneled doors, and up here is a fantastic closet, all built-ins, and the drawers glide ever so nicely. Great storage throughout. It overlooks the main living area, and again, you can see the beautiful windows, fireplace, and open to the kitchen back there. Besides the quality of the construction that I'm sure that you're going to really like, hopefully the floor plan will be ideal for you because each level, first level, bedroom and bathroom, there's also another half bath. Second floor has the living space with bedroom and bathroom. They love the location of the kitchen right off the family room. And then the main level has the half bath as well as laundry room. Down the hallway and off the foyer is the staircase leading to the lower level, full finished basement, half bath, the laundry room with a laundry sink, beautiful cabinetry, and nice sized closet. And the garage is right off this area too. 2-car garage. The home is so comfortable and homey. A fantastic lower level family room. We are in the basement. It is below grade. Finished off just like the rest of the home. Beautiful bedroom with an attached bathroom. Full bathroom, glass shower doors. Same flooring as on the other bathrooms. With a nice sized closet and the mechanicals of furnace and water heater. The sellers so enjoy entertaining guests, and they can have their own private space. Many times they have people down here in the family room with the bedroom. And then they've got this awesome storage area. Goes all the way back that way. Lights. They've got storage shelving in there and another good sized storage closet with shelving that will also stay. Such a nice patio area here. that's private. Hearing the birds chirp. Beautiful landscaping around that'll be in much more full bloom in a couple of weeks. Close to the Perry Farm trails as well. About a half a block away from One River Place, which is right there, are the trails that lead to the Perry Farm. This creek feeds right into the Kankakee River. Beautiful bridge, and above the bridge there are the trails leading to the Great Perry Farm that ultimately lead to the state park. One River Place is just a beautiful community of people. The sellers so enjoy their neighbors, wish they could take them with them. Call me, Lisa Sanford, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Speckman Realty, 815-922-6924.